Welcome to HouseLuxe Estate, your go-to channel for insights into team building and leadership excellence. Here at HouseLuxe Estate, we specialize in offering top-tier advice that resonates with anyone invested in molding the perfect team, particularly business leaders. Understanding the pivotal role of a robust team in the realm of business success is what drives our content. Today, we're diving into the 10 golden rules of building a dream team. Stay tuned. First up on our list is defining clear roles and responsibilities. Imagine a team where everyone knows exactly what they're supposed to do. There's no confusion, no stepping on toes, and each task is handled by the person best equipped to do it. This isn't just efficient. It's essential for any team aiming to achieve greatness. When roles are clearly defined, each team member can focus on their strengths, diving deep into their specific duties without the distraction of overlapping responsibilities. This clarity not only boosts individual performance, but also enhances the overall effectiveness of the team. Moreover, when people understand their roles, accountability naturally follows. Everyone knows who is responsible for what, and this transparency helps in tracking progress and pinpointing areas that may need more attention. With well-defined roles, team members can also support and rely on each other, knowing exactly where their responsibilities begin and end. This fosters a smoother workflow and ultimately leads to a more successful project outcome. When everyone knows their part, the whole machine runs smoother. Moving on to rule number 2, foster open communication. In the intricate dance of team dynamics, open communication isn't just a step, it's the entire choreography. It's the golden thread that prevents the all-too-common pitfalls of misunderstandings while weaving a strong fabric of trust. Imagine a team where every member feels heard, understood, and valued. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for a high-performing team. So, how do we cultivate this environment? Start with regular team meetings. Not just any meetings, but ones that encourage every voice to be heard, ensuring that no idea stays in the shadows. Implement an open-door policy that underscores the leader's approachability and willingness to listen. It's about creating a culture where feedback flows freely in all directions, up, down, and across the organizational chart. And remember, communication isn't just about talking, it's equally about listening. Active listening skills are essential, allowing team members to feel supported and understood. Remember, a team that communicates well, performs well. Rule 3, encourage continuous learning. In the dynamic world of today, the most successful teams are those that view learning as a continual journey, not just a destination. A learning-oriented team environment fosters not only skill enhancement, but also adaptability and innovation, key ingredients for staying ahead in any industry. So how can organizations cultivate this environment? Start by integrating regular training sessions, workshops, and seminars into the team's routine. These can cover everything from technical skills to leadership development. Additionally, encourage team members to enroll in online courses that align with their roles and your business goals. It's also beneficial to create a supportive culture where knowledge sharing is the norm. Encourage team members to present insights from recent learning experiences in team meetings. This not only reinforces their knowledge, but also benefits the entire team. Implementing these strategies ensures that your team remains agile, informed, and motivated. Remember, a team that learns together grows together. Keep learning, keep growing. Next, rule 4, recognize and reward. In the bustling world of team management, acknowledging the efforts and achievements of team members is like watering a plant. It's essential for growth. Recognition and rewards aren't just about handing out bonuses or trophies. They are about showing appreciation and validating the hard work your team puts in. Imagine ending a grueling project, and all you receive is a new list of tasks. Now contrast that with receiving a heartfelt thank you, a public acknowledgement, or even a small token of appreciation. The difference in morale is palpable. This kind of positive reinforcement boosts motivation, encourages others to strive for excellence, and fosters a culture of acknowledgement and respect within the team. Furthermore, the way you recognize and reward can be tailored to be as unique as your team itself. Some might appreciate public recognition, while others might value additional time off or personal notes. Remember, a little recognition goes a long way. Rule 5, promote team collaboration. In the realm of successful teams, collaboration isn't just a buzzword. It's the very scaffold that supports the architecture of achievement. True collaboration involves more than just working side by side. It means weaving a tapestry of diverse skills and perspectives into a cohesive and productive unit. Let's delve into how we can enhance this collaboration. First, consider introducing regular team-building activities. These aren't just fun and games, they are crucial in breaking down barriers and building trust. Activities that require problem-solving and creativity foster a sense of unity and shared purpose. Furthermore, leveraging collaborative tools can transform the way teams interact. Platforms that allow real-time editing, feedback, and communication can streamline projects and enhance synergy. These tools help in maintaining a clear and open line of communication, ensuring that every team member is on the same page and moving towards the same goals. Remember, a team that communicates effectively and enjoys working together is unstoppable. Together, everyone achieves more. Moving on to Rule 6, ensure diversity and inclusion. In the realm of building a dream team, diversity isn't just a buzzword, it's a cornerstone. A diverse team brings a rich tapestry of backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives. Imagine a room where every voice contributes a unique shade to the big picture, enriching decisions and fostering innovative solutions. Creating an inclusive environment goes hand in hand with diversity. It's about crafting spaces where everyone feels genuinely valued and integral to the team's mission. This means actively engaging with different perspectives and ensuring all team members have the resources and opportunities to thrive. The power of diversity and inclusion lies in the synergy they create. When people from varied backgrounds feel respected and included, they are more engaged, productive, and loyal. The result? A robust team that stands resilient in the face of challenges, driven by collective strength and shared goals. Diversity is not just about numbers, it's about bringing different perspectives and strengths to the table. Rule 7, set achievable goals. Crafting goals that are both realistic and clear is akin to setting a compass for a ship in the vast ocean of team projects. It provides a vital direction and a pulse that keeps the team's motivation alive. When goals are too lofty, they can be daunting and may lead to frustration. Conversely, goals that are too modest may not push the team to its full potential. The sweet spot lies in achievable challenges, goals that stretch the team's capabilities without breaking them. Consider implementing the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework helps ensure that goals are well-defined and within reach. For instance, instead of setting a nebulous goal like increase productivity, a SMART goal would be increase productivity by 15% within the next quarter through specific improvements in workflow management. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Effective leaders help their team visualize the path to these goals, breaking them down into manageable milestones and celebrating progress along the way. Goals are the destinations your team strives to reach. Rule 8, lead by example. It's often said that the effectiveness of a team can be directly traced back to the actions of its leader. True leadership isn't just about delegating tasks or setting expectations. It's about embodying the qualities you wish to see in your team. When leaders demonstrate integrity, diligence, and passion, they set a powerful precedent for their team members to follow. Consider a leader who consistently arrives early, stays late, and goes beyond what is expected. This kind of dedication not only boosts morale, but also inspires team members to elevate their own work ethic. Similarly, when leaders face challenges with a calm and strategic approach, it teaches the team resilience and problem-solving under pressure. Moreover, leaders who openly acknowledge their mistakes and seek feedback embody humility and openness. This fosters a culture where continuous improvement is the norm, not the exception. The best leaders are those who show the way. They don't just tell their team what to do, they live it, breathe it, and lead it by example every day. Second to last, Rule 9, maintain work-life balance. In the relentless pursuit of success, it's crucial not to overlook the balance between work and personal life. A dream team not only excels in their tasks, but also enjoys a well-rounded lifestyle that fosters sustained productivity and creativity. Integrating work-life balance into the team's culture begins with respecting personal boundaries. Encourage team members to fully disengage from work during their off hours. This means emails, calls, and texts should wait until the next business day. Respecting these boundaries prevents burnout and fosters a refreshed and more focused team. Flexibility is another cornerstone. Allowing flexible work hours or remote working days can significantly enhance team satisfaction and loyalty. It shows a trust in their professionalism and an understanding of their diverse personal commitments. Moreover, promoting regular breaks and vacations not only revitalizes the team, but also sparks creativity and innovation upon return. Remember, a team that balances their professional and personal lives well is more harmonious and effective. Happy team members are productive team members. Finally, Rule 10, adapt and evolve. In the world of business, the terrain is ever-changing. Markets shift, technologies advance, and consumer behaviors transform overnight. It is crucial for dream teams to be not just responsive but proactive in the face of these changes. Flexibility and adaptability are not merely buzzwords. They are indispensable traits that can determine the success or failure of a team. Imagine a scenario where a sudden market shift occurs. A team that is rigid in its methods and strategies may struggle, while a team that is adaptable can quickly realign its objectives and processes to not only survive but thrive. Encourage your team to view change not as a hurdle, but as an opportunity to innovate and grow. Encourage a culture where new ideas are welcomed and experimentation is not feared but encouraged. This creates a dynamic environment where continuous improvement is part of the daily routine. Change is the only constant. Embrace it. Those were the 10 cardinal rules of building a dream team. From defining roles to promoting collaboration, each principle plays a pivotal role in crafting a successful team. Remember, fostering open communication and encouraging continuous learning can significantly elevate team dynamics. Ensure diversity and maintain work-life balance to keep your team both innovative and happy. Adapt and evolve to stay ahead in today's fast-paced world. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from House Lux Estate. Build your dream team and watch your business thrive.